You are listening to Radioactive 90.4 megahertz. Get active.
Hello, this is Pretty. The Pretty Beyond Talk Show is a platform to speak out your mind. I feel every person has something wonderful and unique inside their mind, which may be worth listening, and it may be motivate or inspire others. Pretty's Talk is about fitness, inspiration, motivation, sharing knowledge, and celebrating womanhood. Stay tuned, stay connected. This is Pretty with loads of love.
Welcome to the Pretty Women Talk Show. I bring people here in front of you who has something beautiful in their mind, in their heart, which may motivate or inspire you, or maybe it's worth listening. I am the host Pretty Women, and my today's guest is.
My name is Madhumati. I am 55 years old, and today I am overweight.
Okay.
But it was more worse 4 years back. Women, especially, they put fitness at the back of their mind. And their health too. I also did that years back. Eat whatever, at whatever time, whatever comes to my mind, whatever I like. I used to do that. But
Mostly, see, we neglect our health actually.
Very true. Give importance to our family first.
Yes.
Because for a woman, family is important, and for the family, if the woman is not there, then it is like four walls of the house, because everything the woman of the house does is the root of the family. So I was also like that only. But then I was anyway overweight because being a North Indian, we eat lot of fried oil, non-veg, everything for that matter.
But
so
what Madhumati, I'll tell you, it's never too late for anything. So you have started, that's really appreciable.
Actually, the time when I weighed myself, I was 72, 4 years back. Slowly, and I was very happy with my weight of 72 for a 4 feet 11 inches.
Okay.
And even if I reduced by 200 grams, I used to feel very bad.
Oh.
And slowly I started increasing.
Okay.
74, 75, 80. When the needle of the weighing scale touched 85 kilos, then I got really scared and alarmed. So then I was determined to reduce my weight.
Okay.
So that is when the thing started, fitness.
Knocking you.
So,
yes.
So I started around 3 years back with a half a kilometer. In that half a kilometer also I used to pause in between, sit for a couple of minutes and then again complete that half kilometer.
Okay.
And then walking back home, same thing. I used to sit somewhere in between, then walk back. That was my half kilometer of my walk.
Okay.
Slowly, then I made little bit changes in the diet. I used to eat on time and watch my diet, what I'm eating. And then I started with no fried, no white sugar, no maida.
Okay.
And these were the major changes I made to my diet. And slowly from half kilometer, I reached to 2 kilometers of walk in 3-4 months time. Then in the month of August 2019, I came across a video of Milind Soman sir, the founder of Pinkathon, wherein he mentioned to walk at least 3 kilometers in a day to start with. So the day I heard evening, I started my 3 kilometer challenge.
Wow.
That was the first day I completed my 3 kilometers with the app on.
Okay.
And when it was 2 3/4, I was very happy. I walked back and completed my 3 kilometers at a stretch.
Superb.
And I was quite happy for that. And then that was what I was talking was the August 2019 story. Then in 2019 October, I happened to attend Pinkathon Day.
Okay.
And I got more encouragement from my fellow attendees to implement walk and fitness into my part of everyday life. The benefits were obvious because I was seeing myself lighter and fitter by the day. And 1 year later, that is the next season of Pinkathon 3.0, on the way, happening on the 1st of November.
Right.
And my journey of fitness is still ongoing. Today I am able to walk 10 kilometers.
Wow, that's
in
simply
a week.
Superb.
And it is all because of Pinkathon.
Okay.
All because of the Facebook lives what we have been seeing, the FitQ sessions of Pinkathon what we have been seeing. Today, every week, I register an event of 10 kilometers and I'm able to achieve the 10 kilometers, though the speed is still not up to my expectations, but I am able to walk at a stretch.
Okay.
I don't sit anywhere until I complete my 10 kilometers.
See, the speed is always matter, but maybe sometime it doesn't matter when, consistently if you are walking or if you are giving your time to achieve your health. I think that is more important than speed also sometimes.
Very true. And today I have reduced my weight to 67 kilos.
Wow, that
really is my weight of
amazing
yesterday.
That is, yes.
Yeah, that's my yesterday's weight. 67 kilos, and I want to reduce more for my height and for my age and for my own health.
Yes.
And I am not at all compromising on the family matters. It is only that much of time I will have to get up early. That's all. No other sacrifice I make for this.
You started loving yourself maybe more now.
Naturally. Not only loving myself, I started loving my life also and the work. And whenever I talk with friends, the first topic we start with fitness and how much of fitness are you implementing. Those are the only topics we have. So what I feel is it is not rocket science or impossible to implement fitness in your life. It is just the determination, discipline and dignity for a healthy, fit, strong and disease-free life.
Right.
So I feel if I can do, so can you. And so can anyone else for that matter. So we need to start our fitness journey now.
Right.
Any time is now is good. You don't have to see any Rahu Kalam or something.
Right.
And even a person who is lean, it is not necessary that he is fit and fine. He may still may have some other problems in future, some magnesium deficiency, some calcium deficiency. So being lean or being fat does not convey you're fit or not fit. Only thing is you need to implement fitness in your everyday life.
I feel that starting kick is very important. Once you are into that life, fitness is in your mind, then I guess you can do it. But the starting kick.
Because otherwise what happen? Every day we feel, okay, let me start from tomorrow. Tomorrow not I will get up in the early morning and I'll go for a walk, run or whatever it is. But what happen? Next day when it is come, I'll feel like lazy. Okay, let me sleep today again tomorrow. So do you feel there should be some motivation or ideal for you, or you can make your mind by yourself sometime? What do you want to say to the listener?
I think first thing is self-motivation is important.
Okay.
Because unless you wake yourself up, not from the slumber, but internally, you wake yourself up saying that not from tomorrow, today, like how I did when I heard of Milind Soman's video. I heard it in the afternoon. I went in the evening. I didn't say I'll wait for tomorrow. I went that day. How much ever was possible? 3 kilometers. Today, if you see 3 kilometers, even a kid, if you see all these events, and even for that matter, Pinkathon, there is one kid, I think he's 5-year-old. He's participating in Pinkathon. And for fitness, you don't need the age. You just need the way to start. That's all.
Madhumati, here I'll ask you that what kind of food you used to take. Always our expert says that the healthy life is more important than losing the weight.
When you maintain a healthy life, weight losing comes secondary, and weight losing happens naturally. You're not actually losing weight or bone weight or anything. You're just losing the extra fat of your body. Extra fat, what is there, that is what gets melted away, and you become more strong. And with respect to diet, you don't need to do anything. You need to eat the same 3 times in the day if you are eating 3 times. Same 4 times in the day. It is only that you need to make some diet changes. I am not doing any dieting. I am not doing any keto diet. No diet I am following. It is only fruits I implement in my life, leafy vegetables, leafy vegetables, and all types of vegetables with a twist, like I don't eat one vegetable across the week. I mix all the vegetables in the due course and eat. I don't, and only thing what I have reduced is the salt intake, the spices, the oil, the fried, the maida, and the white sugar.
The home food, whatever available at home, that is only you are having. Right, that's really wonderful. And I guess your talk and your experience may help many women in this art. It's a high time for us women to think for themselves, think for ourselves, start loving ourselves.
Women are the backbone of the family. If something happens to the woman and she gets bedridden, the entire family, they can neither wash clothes, nor they can cook, nor they can wash the vessels, nor they can maintain the house. Even the cleaning of the house they cannot do.
Right.
So for everything a woman is needed. And if the woman is the bread earner of the house, then it is still more worth.
Right.
So at least for their own self, and even for that matter, today I am 55. We may grow to more ages. I don't want to die bedridden. I want to die walking towards my death.
Right.
So that should be the aim. We should continue to walk. We should keep moving in life.
That's really wonderful, actually. As you said, that Pinkerton was your, motivation. Pinkerton was your inspiration to join the fitness world.
So how Pinkerton had motivated you or inspired you? How it changed your life?
Pinkerton, actually, it is an initiative started by Milind Soman. No doubt they have more emphasis on breast cancer. They started the initiative with that. But they want every woman to be fit. They want, their motto is Ghar Ghar Mein Pinkerton. They want every household to know about Pinkerton and the fitness initiative they are undertaking. They are undertaking this Shero Trek. They are undertaking this walking mother, so they are not neglecting the family. Even if a mother has just given birth to a baby of, say, 1 year, 2 years, she can still carry her and walk towards health. So these are the initiatives which Pinkerton has been continuing to do, and I am very impressed with their initiatives. Therefore, I continue to remain with Pinkerton from past 1.5 years. So actually, I have actually subscribed to all the Pinkerton groups and pages in Facebook, and I continue to get encouragement from those. Then, because I have registered for the events, I am part of some running groups, so I get motivation from today. I walk 10 kilometers. I see somebody walking 11 kilometers. That person gives me a little bit more motivation, guides me how to cross even that 1 kilometer, add that 1 kilometer to your walk. I get more motivated with that, and I continue my journey. And hence, I am conducting this event on November 1st in Bangalore.
Then you are also becoming a part of Pinkerton Day now. Would you like to share your experiences, and how did you decided that yes, I also want to host one location, or maybe you want to motivate some other women when you are hosting one location, when you are hosting Pinkerton Day? Actually, you are celebrating, but yes, you are welcoming other women to join. You try to motivate other women towards their health. What makes you to host one location?
Yeah, what I feel, if there is you have an oil lamp which is burning, you feel very nice. It is spreading the light, and it is evading the darkness. But if you burn another lamp from that one lamp, so that way you can light thousands of lamps. So I feel I want to be that one lamp wherein as I got motivated from Pinkerton, today I want to give back something to the other women who don't know about fitness. Initially, we need to start with our own neighbors. Your left-hand side neighbor and your right-hand side neighbor. At least try to bring them and educate them about fitness and the health benefits the fitness has. It doesn't always have to be with the walk as such. It could be yoga, it could be anything, any form of fitness which they are comfortable with. So I also want to give back like that to the other women and therefore bring them to the fore. So Pinkerton as such this year they have had the online registrations wherein people in the surrounding areas can register and be part of Synchathon event and still gain more encouragement on that day.
Okay. Looking forward, to definitely want to be part of your event. I am wishing that your event should be successful. Like one day, as you were motivated, like thousands of women get motivated by your event. That's my wish.
Thank you.
Always for
Thank you so much, Preeti.
During this pandemic, during this COVID-19, we all had very tough time. We can't even go out. We are at home, lots of work. We are feeling like, depressive, like we don't have anywhere to go. We are not having any function to attend. It's like, disturbing our mind. So, How did you spend your time during this lockdown?
Actually, I am a very active person. I used to work in IT company. So after I quit the company, every day there is some or the other work, even housework for that matter. So every day going out was the norm of the day for always. But in these 7 months, because I go for walk, that the freshness of the morning walk and the morning air keeps me lively and active for the entire day.
Right.
So that is what continues to motivate me. And in this pandemic, I think more of these virtual events have started which emphasize on running 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 21 kilometers. So I happened to register for all these 100 days. And day before yesterday, I completed one event of 100 days of running with the attendance of all the 100 days. I haven't missed one day of the walk. So that way I keep getting motivated through that. And this pandemic, though, we sit at home all the 24 hours, it doesn't seem to have affected me much, except that all my outside works have become little bit pending. But then I am still motivated, continuing to plan for my next day's walk, for my next day's fitness, for my next meal being healthy. So that way I pass my time.
Right. So that means if we wish, if we want, if we have a willpower, that nothing can stop us to be healthy, to be, to keep ourselves fit.
Yeah, nothing can stop us. But then the important thing is we should get that thing from self. Nobody else can push you, please go for walk, please go. Yeah, unless it comes from your internal thing inside of you, you cannot follow fitness. So if one woman is healthy, she can carry the family towards fitness. That is what I feel. If at least one awareness is there, and the awareness, if it is implemented by a woman, she can first take her husband, take her father, take her mother for work, then continue to do with the other family members in the due course. So the entire family can remain fit.
This is Preeti from the Pretty Beyond Talk Show with Radioactive 90.4 MHz. If you have any suggestion or want to share your own incredible story, you can reach us out on Facebook, Insta, Twitter and YouTube. Until next time, this is Preeti. Keep listening, keep loving, keep inspiring.
Radioactive 90.4 MHz. Bangalore's first community radio station. Listen up, listen up, listen up. Get active.